Question number 17. A particle is displaced from rest and released at time t equal to 0. It performs SHM. Which graph shows the variation with the kinetic energy? What is kinetic energy expression? Which is equal to half mv square. M is positive, V can be positive or negative, but V square is always positive. So kinetic energy should always be positive. Look at this graph here. Kinetic energy versus time. Kinetic energy become negative. Wrong. And then look at this also. Here also it is incorrect. Right? Now the next one. It can be either of them because kinetic energy is positive over here. Now which one is correct? Now what does it say? Is displaced from rest and released at time equal to 0. Let us consider a particle like this, a pendulum like this. So as a result of it, when you say it is displaced and released at time t equal to 0, released. What do you mean? If you release it here, what will happen? The particle will not go anywhere. But if you release it over here, then the particle will start swinging like this. Or either you can release it here or you can release it over here. Which means, now what could be the equation of motion here? This should be x equal to a sin omega t, right? A sin omega t. So that, a cos omega t. A cos omega t. How do I know sin or cos? If I put t equal to 0, I should get x equal to a. See, this is x equal to a, right? I put t equal to 0. At t equal to 0, I released. So amplitude was a. I got it correctly. Okay. So therefore, x equal to a cos omega t is the equation. So if that is the case, the value of V will now be a omega sin omega t. Okay. And as a result of it, if this goes as cos, this should go as sin. Right. So here if you see, this looks like a cos curve, this looks like a sin curve. And what is kinetic energy? This should be half mv square, which means this becomes half a square omega square sin squared omega t. So therefore, the nature of this will also be something like this, similar to that of sin squared omega t. So thus, this will be the right option. D is the right option. Let us move on to the next one.